Hello, I'm Nahida and welcome to Enovin Cake and Cookies. Today we are making a melt in the mouth dessert that's so easy and so delicious. Bread Malai Dessert. Let's get started. Take bread slices, cut off the edges and then cut each slice in half. In a bowl, add 3 tablespoons of milk malai and 1.5 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Mix it well until smooth and creamy. Spread this malai mixture over each bread slice and cover with another bread slice. Then lightly soak the bread in milk and start placing them in a dish one by one. Don't over soak the bread in milk, just a gentle dip is enough. Now for the malai custard layer. Boil 1.5 cups of milk. Add 3 tablespoons of sugar. In a separate bowl, mix 2 tablespoons of custard powder in a quarter cup of milk until smooth. Slowly add this to the boiling milk and stir continuously. Cook until the mixture thickens. The custard adds richness while bread soaks up all the flavors like a sponge. Use soft, fresh bread for the best texture. Stale bread can break apart. Cool it down for about 5 minutes. Then pour this warm custard over the bread slices. Bread Malai dessert made easy with everyday ingredients and a lot of love. Which bread dessert should we make next? Bread halwa or pudding cups? Tell us below. Top with chopped dry fruits, almond, pistachios, cashews, anything you like. Refrigerate it for 1 hour. Your bread malai dessert is ready to serve, soft, chilled, and absolutely delightful. Stay sweet, stay creative, and keep cooking with love.